We were looking for an alternative way of working outside the office when we stumbled on laser keyboards. We sent 4 of the very best to thisreviewer.com and they came back with a clear winner. Here it is. It's the slimmest and lightest of them all and is incredibly easy to use and work with and on. Its connection to any mobile device is simply to turn it on and look for it on the Bluetooth list. Once there, click it and it's done. The responsiveness of the virtual keys is really good and we haven't stopped using this one since we got it. Perfect for mobile phones and tablets. Charges using a standard mini USB connection cable, of course included. All sent in a nice presentation box. We at iSpyGifts.com hope that you like this product. Shop for great gifts at iSpyGifts.com.